What's up? It's your boy Monty. You know I'm back at it again with another video. You know we about to do the car wash today. You know we about to get it cleaned up. You know I need it cleaned up. I know y'all go back to my last video. Y'all know y'all gotta subscribe to it. Y'all know y'all gotta like. Y'all know y'all gotta comment. I'm out here in Auburn Hills about to get a car wash. Y'all know what time it is. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all know we be cleaning the cars all day long, every day long. These cars need all types of cleaning. Look at this shit, y'all. Look at this shit, y'all. This shit. My car need all types of cleaning, y'all. All types of cleaning, y'all. Look at the floor. Look at the floor, y'all. Finna put magic into it, though, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all a review today too, y'all. Y'all know what time it is. We gotta get this cleaned out. Trunk ready to be clean. Whole floor need to be wiped in and shit. Like hell nah. Working. Dirty ass car. Get this shit cleaned up. This shit need to be fixed. Who gonna help me though? I ain't got nobody to help me. Nobody to help me clean it. Look at the tires. Ooh, the tires on it, bro. Fucked up. Dirty ass car. Look at this shit. Dirty ass shit. Look, grill done fell off already. Crazy. Crazy, y'all. Y'all need to, hey, who gonna help me clean the car out though? This dirty. Demon time. It's demon time now. It's demon time. I know what time it is. Demon time. These bitches cost $1, y'all. Where I live at, these bitches 75 cents. Oh damn. Crazy, man. Y'all didn't take my money. Wow. Wow. They just took my money, y'all. Ain't that crazy? They took all my money, bro. I ain't gonna get 50 cents back. I'm only gonna get 50 cents back, bro. Are you serious, gang? Come on, man. Y'all. Okay, let's move to the next one, bro. Let's go to the one over here, bro. Go to this one. See this bitch right. Yeah, it really just took some money from me, but it's cool. That's good. We can start from over here. Y'all, that shit sucked. So we gonna just wash the car. We just gonna wash the car, y'all. That shit is ass, bro. Look, that shit did nothing, bro. Look, let me show you. That shit did nothing. It did no justice to my car. Like, what did it do? What did it do? Got mud still on my seat. Car, I'm pissed off. Cause it already took my money from me, bro. Look, I still got shit down there. What the fuck going on? Like, what the heck, bro? Didn't clean nothing. It didn't get anything, y'all. Like, what the world? It didn't get anything, bro. You fucking suck, bitch. I hate you. Go die. Why? Why don't you work? I'm about to beat your ass, nigga. Bitch, they finna beat your ass, nigga. Beat their ass. Beat their ass. Yeah, that bitch don't work. Yeah. Fuck wrong with them. So yeah, we finna go over there. So many cars over there. So many cars. I'm kinda thinking twice about this one. I need my car clean, y'all. I need my car clean. So what's the deal? Should we go? Let's head out. Oh yeah, y'all, we back now. Y'all know we just had to get back in the car wash. We just got in here. We about to get this boy cleaned up, y'all. Let's see what we do. How much is it? Oh yeah, y'all, we finally done with the whole car. Oh yeah, y'all know I had an accident, but yeah. Oh yeah. Let's clean all the way around. Everything clean. I didn't get my stripes redid. My stripes need to get redid, but it's cool. It's alright. I know what time it is. And I know we had a whole clean. See all the hood and everything under the hood and shit. Let me get y'all right. Get y'all right. Hold up, y'all. Give me 1 second. Alright, y'all. Fuck me. The hood ain't gonna stay up, but yeah. I know what time it is. Y'all know what we got in here. V8. Get some new shit going. Kinda hear a tick. No, I don't hear nothing. I don't know. Probably just what it sound like. Y'all know. I'm just now getting new to these cars. See, I should have cleaned my engine off. Y'all know what that say. Hit me. But yeah, let's get right. Y'all know we got the, oh shit. Oh, I forgot what more flips we got. We need some tips. Get some tips in there. So, get y'all right on that right quick. 1 second. Come on, camera. Fuck. Get y'all niggas right with this bitch. Alright, put y'all right there. Did it say record? Yeah, that ditch. y'all know we got that taken care of. Get that shit right. Y'all know we gonna get right. Get y'all out this stand. Tighten this bitch up. Alright, y'all. Alright, let's get it. So y'all know we got the dashboard, SRT dashboard. Sport, you know, time, get it cleaned out. You know, we got all the sport mode, climbing, you know, we got the heated seats, all that. Heated seats, heated vents, all that. Phone. Shit, y'all know we got all this. Y'all know about all this. G-Force 10. Tell me what I need, y'all, cause I need what I need on here, what I need. You got the cellular control, everything, anti-lock, the door locks, you know, the power engine, power off, delay, you know. I need to turn this down. That should just automatically just turn off. But yeah, got the whole, you know, ain't nothing major yet. LED lights, just for now. Just for now. But yeah, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, cause hey, we about to drop more videos. I'ma do whatever every day. I'ma drop every day, every time, all day, every day. Hey, let's tee up, y'all. Y'all stay tuned, gang.